Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to edit table row and column size in Apple Keynote. Let's get started. At first open your Apple Keynote software, then open your Keynote presentation. Now go to the third slide on the presentation and you can go any slide. Now choose my third slide on the presentation. Now go to the table menu and insert this any table. Now insert this table. Now firstly edit table row and column size. Now firstly select the table and move the table. Now select this and move the table on the presentation. Move the table and middle on the presentation. Now firstly select this and you can see here are row and column size. Now I'm edit this. Now firstly you can see here are 130 pt. Now increase this. Now I'm write 115 and click this. And now you can see here are the row height, row and column row height is changing. Now change white. Now edit and writing 230. Now again small this 100. Now white is 115 and press enter on your keyboard. Now you can see edit table row and column size in Apple Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.